A 0 square forces x minus 4 to be 0.
Mossback the wood rat is looking for a path through the 3-root cave, but the passages ahead are completely blocked by dense natural barriers. Kit watches from above. She knows that navigating this cave requires reading the surrounding landscape to find a way forward. To clear these passages, we have to solve quadratic equations by inspection, square roots, completing the square, the quadratic formula, and factoring as appropriate. Watch the scene first. The math is built into the world, so the quantities can be seen before they are named. Each blocked passage has its own structure. By observing how the barrier is built, the most efficient mathematical solving method reveals itself. The very first obstacle in the journey is a narrow tunnel, sealed completely tight by heavy interlocking branches. Carved directly into the wood grain is the equation that blocks the way. X minus 4 squared equals 0. A square equals 0 only when its inside value is 0, so x minus 4 equals 0. The solution is x equals 4. Recognizing the zeroed perfect square in the wood allows for instantaneous solving by inspection. Deeper in, Mossback steps into a chamber where the floor itself physically shifts and divides into dual pathways. The mosaics map out the structure of the next equation. X squared equals 49. Take square roots of both sides. That gives x equals 7 or x equals negative 7. Both values square to 49. The solutions are x equals 7 and x equals negative 7. This pure square structure yields two distinct roots without the need for complex factoring.
49 has square roots 7 and negative 7.
The weather and ambient light shift dramatically as Mossback reaches a sharp, glowing crystalline fork inside the cave. These crystals form a clean trinomial. X squared minus x minus 12 equals 0. Factor the quadratic as x minus 4 times x plus 3 equals 0. Set each individual factor equal to 0. The solutions are x equals 4 and x equals negative 3. Factoring breaks the standard trinomial into solvable, distinct paths. The final barrier blocking the path to the outside world is the heaviest one yet, a massive wall of densely packed root stones. These stones carry a more stubborn block. X squared minus 2x minus 7 equals 0. When the structure resists simple factoring, we deploy the quadratic formula. Identify a equals 1, b equals negative 2, and c equals negative 7. Compute x equals 2 plus or minus square root of 4 plus 28 divided by 2 equals 2 plus or minus square root of 32 divided by 2. Simplify to x equals 1 plus or minus 2 square root of 2. The solutions are x equals 1 plus or minus 2 square root of 2. This fail-safe mechanism navigates the equations where roots are irrational. Looking back at the cleared route, the physical movements through the cave mirror the numbers and symbols found in the environment. Reading the initial structure of each problem leads directly to the most precise tool for the job. Now, with the passages open, Pip the Red Fox Kit can freely explore the newly restored landscape. The environment shows the relationship, and the notation records it. Which mark in the environment proves the mathematical relationship, and how does the animal action make it true?
The exact roots are 1 plus or minus 2 square root 2.